Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over 4 different variations of a head tracer to escalator combo. So those moves are going to look like this. First and foremost, my name is Kate, also known as Hooper Kate on literally everything. On this channel, I teach beginner and intermediate hoopers how to expand on their flow. So if that's you, please consider subscribing to my channel, leave a comment, like this video, share it with a friend. It's a free way to support me and we can work together to grow the hoop community even bigger. All right, so let's get into it. So the first portion of every move is going to be this head tracer. So it's gonna look something like this. It's a really simple move, so you're just gonna take your hoop out into your dominant hand, have a loose grip on the hoop. You're going to bring the hoop around your head, and as the hoop is swinging around your head, you're just gonna loosen up your grip so that the hoop can naturally swing open like this. So you're going to bring the hoop all the way around, and you're gonna end in this position right here. Your elbow is gonna be bent, and it's gonna be in this flat plane right in front of you like this. So for the first combo, we're gonna go into a folded escalator. So that's going to look like this. And all you're going to do is extend your arm out and swing the hoop all the way out so that you're in this position right here. So you're gonna swing out and here. Once you're in this position, swing the hoop around your arm and let it fold over your arm like this. Once you're in this position, you're just going to let go of your grip of the hoop and you're going to swing your arm all the way back behind you like this. And to complete that move, you're just going to lift up your opposite leg. It's going to land in this crevice right here. So you're going to swing all the way back, lift up, and then catch with your dominant hand. So leaving your leg up like this is super helpful because it guides the hoop down to the ending position. So again, we're going to trace the hoop all the way around our head. We're going to land right here. We're gonna open up the hoop and extend to this position. We're gonna swing the hoop around our arm, let it drop in front. Once it's in front, we're gonna open up our hand, swing back, lift up that leg, and catch the hoop on your dominant hand. So here's that move one more time from slow motion. So the next variation of this combo is gonna look like this. So again, you're gonna trace your hoop all the way around your head, land in this position right here, but now we're going to swing the hoop over. So we're gonna have the space from our dominant side swing over to our opposite side. You're gonna have momentum on your side for this move, so it feels a little bit awkward right now, but the hoop is gonna be swinging in one swift motion. So we're gonna be here, then here. Once you're here, you're going to wrap the hoop over your head like this. And you're going to drop the hoop and lift up your dominant leg now. So you're going to lift, drop. You're going to drop the hoop over your head and behind you, kind of guiding it over to your dominant side. You're going to drop and lift up your dominant leg. We're going to swing it in front of us. And you want to continue this motion, wrapping it around your body. And then as you wrap it around your body, you're just going to lift up your dominant leg so that it can guide itself all the way back down. Let me show you from behind. The move is going to look like this. I'm gonna wrap around. We're here. We're gonna wrap again so that it's in front. We're going to bring the hoop over our body and over to our dominant side. Lift up that dominant leg. And we're going to drop the hoop and catch with our opposite hand. So one more time, we're gonna swing the hoop all the way around, wrap all the way around our body, lift up our dominant leg, wrap the hoop around our body, and catch with our opposite hand. So here's that move one more time in slow motion. So the next variation that we're gonna go over is gonna look like this. So kind of similar to the first variation, we're gonna wrap the hoop all the way around. We're gonna open up our hoop again, but instead of folding it over our arm, we're going to fold it onto our back and have it land on our back just like this. From here, we're just going to hinge the hoop over our body. So we're going to flip the hoop down. So we're here, we're just going to hinge down like this. Then you're gonna take your opposite hand and you're going to lock the hoop around your hand like this. So you're gonna put your hand in front and then you're gonna grab behind like this. So you're gonna be in this position right here. So for this portion of the move, you're gonna lift up your dominant leg and you're going to just bring your hand back behind you and lift your hand straight up like this. So we're gonna bring it behind and up. What that does is just get your arm out of the way so the hoop is released from that lock that you made, and it's just going to travel down your body in an escalator. So we're here, lift up your dominant leg, up, and catch with your opposite arm. So from the beginning, we're just going to swing the hoop all the way around. We're in this position right here. We're gonna open up the hoop like this. Then we're gonna bring it behind us right here. Hinge down over your head, bring your opposite arm, lock it inside of the hoop. You're gonna swing the hoop behind you. As the hoop is swinging behind you, lift up that opposite leg. You're going to reach back and up, then catch with your opposite arm. So here's a move one more time in slow motion. And the last variation of the move is going to look like this. Again, start the move with a head tracer. So you're just gonna go all the way around, and kind of like that second move, we're going to swing the hoop around us so that the hoop falls down in front of us. From here, you're gonna do that interlocking that we just did in that previous move, and you're gonna go into a contact escalator. So you're just going to lock your hand inside of the hoop, release your grip here, lift up that dominant leg, and then catch with your opposite. We're here, we're going to wrap, bring it forward, bring our hand up and in. We're going to release, lift up, and catch. So here's that move one more time in slow motion. All right, Hoopers, so that was a quick tutorial on 4 different variations of the head tracer to escalator combo. You can really play around with this move and try to find ways to connect both of those individual moves. Escalators are great because there are so many ways to get into them and different variations of the move itself. I know that that was quick, so if you have any questions and still can't get any of these moves down, be sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video or you want to see more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with a friend. Again, it just helps me get my channel out there so that we can grow the community even bigger together. All right, Hoopers, I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hooping.